What's up, guys? This is Mr. Eldridge. I've seen a lot of comments in regards to tariffs, and so today's lesson is going to be a clarification lesson. Today, we're going to cover what is a tariff and how do tariffs actually work. Tariffs are taxes imposed by governments or imported goods to regulate trade, protect domestic industries, and generate revenue. When a country places a tariff on an imported product, the cost of that product increases for consumers, making domestic alternatives more competitive. Tariffs can be applied as a percentage of the goods value, such as an ad valorem tariff, or as a fixed amount per unit, i.e. a specific tariff. By making foreign products more expensive, tariffs can encourage domestic production and reduce reliance on imports. Now, however, tariffs can also lead to economic consequences. These consequences can be higher prices for consumers and strained international trade relations. When countries impose tariffs, foreign exporters may respond by raising prices or reducing the supply of their goods, which can contribute to inflation. Additionally, trading partners may retaliate by imposing their own tariffs. We often call this retaliatory tariffs, leading to trade wars that can disrupt global supply chains and economic stability. While tariffs may protect domestic jobs in the short term, they can also reduce competition, which will result in inefficiencies and lower quality goods as well. Governments can use tariffs strategically, often as part of the broader trade policies or negotiations. Some countries implement tariffs selectively to protect key industries, while others use them as a leverage in trade agreements, i.e., if you don't follow with this agreement, we're going to add a tariff on a specific good. Organizations like the World Trade Organization help mediate disputes and ensure that tariffs comply with international trade rules. In some cases, free trade agreements, such as the now USMCA or the European Union's single market, reduce or eliminate tariffs between member countries to promote economic integration, even though we are seeing a removal from that with the USMCA and the recent supposed tariffs on Mexico and Canada. Ultimately, while tariffs can be a tool for economic policy, their effectiveness depends on how they are implemented and their impact on domestic and global markets. Thank you so much for paying attention to this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so now. Thank you so much.